Well, alright guys, it's going to be a strange unboxing indeed, as I talk about some funny person, we won't say who went on camera and said, well, the thing about pizza is it was designed to be eaten with your hands. Oh man. I guess this is the funny timeline. In some ways, it's the worst timeline, like Eli the computer guy says, but in some other ways, it's probably the funniest. Alright, let's do this unboxing. Because the unboxing can only be done once. Okay. Limited space. My gosh. What am I going to do? Limited space. Okay, we did it. We did it. Oh, look at this. This is amazing. As we talk about the Fast and the Furious. This is so cool, guys. And a while back, I got this, which is also kind of like the Fast and the Furious, but it's mini. It's mini for drifting. But this, I was told by Tom Lee RC, which I like a lot, and a bunch of other awesome folks who are into drifting, or at the very least buying cheap toys and cool things to drift, because this is actually one of the few affordable things in the modern world that you can still maybe accessibly buy in today's market. Oh, by the way, I thought I'd remind you guys of the cool things that happen here on Irvine. This cool thing you get if you live here. Very cool. And we brought Angels back with the harp. That is cool. I love that. All right, anyway, I'm going to try to deep dive into this box. Probably not deeply, just dive. We can't be too perfect. All right, anyway. Let's get this out. So really, I don't care. As an Italian descendant, I don't care how you eat your pizza. You can eat your pizza with your hands, or you could eat it with a knife and fork. How I was taught when I was growing up. In Sicily and Milan. In Sicilia, mangiamo la pizza con la forchetta e il coltello. Il coltello. I don't actually have a forchetta here right now. But anyway, here we go. Look at this. It's got a remote. We all need remote. Oh, no. Oh, that's horrible. I don't like when they put these things in there. The thumb things. I don't like this remote. The DJI remotes. That's how I used to love remote controlling cars. What is this garbage? But anyway. In the modern world, the majority has spoken. So you're forced to drive cars with this ridiculous, because everything has to be a gun, right? In the modern world. And so we have to shoot at things. And gun. Wow, this is cool. This is actually cool. My goodness. And in the old days, just like Tom Lee RC said, we had this company called Burago, and I used to have like Ferraris and all kinds of cool things. They kind of oiled the exterior. This is rock solid. In fact, it's metal solid. Wow. I don't know how this is going to drift because it's really heavy. Probably the performance of the battery is going to go down a considerable amount, because the other ones that I've driven before were plastic, and they have awesome performance. But this may just be a what do they call it? A shelf queen, as the RC sailors will say, because it's really good, and I don't want to mess up the paint job on this thing. Very cool. It also comes with a bunch of things. I imagine mirrors and a charging cable that's in this bag. But wow. This is something that is affordable and cool, and has a real